Good evening. I'm Julie Brua, the new principal here at the School of St. Mary. I want to welcome you and your families to our virtual open houses, September 1st for PGC and September 8th for the UGC. We are so fortunate, grateful, and blessed to have your children here in our schools. Welcome.
Welcome. My name is Kathy Thompson, and I'm the assistant principal at the School of St. Mary. Although they keep me down here with the little kids most of the time, you know you can always reach out to me by my email, ktompson@schoolofstmary, or call the Primary Grade Center. Once you've been a student here or parent here, we will help you get through anything you need. God bless, and we're happy you're at our school.
Welcome to Mrs. Pasowitz's office. She has an office at both the UGC and the PGC. She's available by phone at either location. She is the person who collects and follows up with all the paperwork regarding the health forms, medication forms. She also helps with any of the COVID pieces that we need in terms of responding to COVID-19 cases. She handles all of our typical health kinds of related issues, such as an upset stomach or medication. And she also helps us maintain our isolation policy, which is if you're COVID positive, you would isolate for 10 days and then be fever-free before coming back. This is Mrs. Pasowitz, and that's what she works with and handles. In the lunchroom, we have some procedures we've been doing to make sure that we're being safe and following the guidelines provided to us during COVID-19. So our kids now sit at the same tables. So in other words, the same group of students will sit at the same table. We do have seating charts so that those 8 students per table can be moved to different locations if we need to, and we know exactly where they're seated. They're 3 feet apart, as you can see through the X that we have on the seats for the children. And also one other thing that's different, and it was from last year, is that now students or staff can leave during the day and come back within the same day. And that's different from last year. We have been really fortunate and blessed to have many projects completed this summer at both PGC and the UGC. For example, we had an opportunity to see the beautiful new carpet that we have in the main area over here at the PGC. We're very fortunate and grateful for those opportunities for our students to have beautiful flooring and to feel welcomed when they come into our learning environment. Two additions. One is we have new Chromebooks, so all of our 3rd through 8th grade students each have their own individual Chromebooks. Through a grant, we were able to get new ones to be able to support our students' instruction throughout the course of the school year, including if we have a snow day or inclement weather day, a kid would be able to have access to their Chromebook. And it doesn't stop there. We also have, at the K through 2, brand new sets of iPads for K 1 and 2, and beautiful new cases to be able to support the sturdiness of the iPad as well, so that our kids can use these devices for their instruction. In addition to the Chromebooks and to the new iPads and their cases, we've also received several access points for our Wi-Fi spots so that kids have more opportunity to be able to get onto the internet using our GoGuardian app more safely and more readily, including our staff as well too. And in addition, at the UGC, we have also done some repair work with our roof. So we're very grateful to all of the folks that have been a part of making those decisions, and also to helping our facilities and learning environments become that much more enhanced. One of the opportunities that we've really been thinking through is how can we provide mask breaks for our students. One of them is through our use of the PGC tent, as you can see behind me. It's a nice shaded area. Kids can come outside, take off their masks, relax. We could be leading our Envision Math instruction, which is our new curriculum in math. Those are opportunities that we provide for the students here at the PGC. At the UGC, we have St. Mary's Green. So in lieu of putting a tent in St. Mary's Green area, our students are able to have PE and in some cases recess over in that area. It's a nice quiet place for the students to be able to take off their masks and to take a breath. One of the high points of being at the School of St. Mary is that we have casual wear days. Students have the opportunity to wear their Crusader wear as purchased, and we work through Carlotta Plotner to be able to have those opportunities for students to show off their school pride through Crusader wear. And in addition, one of the things that's brought back this year are volunteers. Our volunteer program is supported through the work of Beth Rinaldo. Basically what that means is that you can be an intermittent volunteer, which means that you do a self-check when you come into the buildings or come to the buildings, you wear a mask, and then you would come in to support the students. If you're a regular volunteer, which the Arch has said is someone that routinely comes in once a week on a routine basis to be able to support students or instruction or our programs, you would show your vaccination card or provide it for us, do a self-check, wear a mask, and then come in. If you're unvaccinated, you would do a weekly COVID test, do your self-check, wear a mask, and come in. And also, all of our volunteers are now considered mandated reporters. Thank you so much for the opportunity to serve our students in these capacities as well. Back at the school year for 2021-2022 is that it's great to be a Crusader. We are so fortunate that Dr. Carlini is our athletic director, and we're able to offer sports this year such as cross country, volleyball, basketball, track. So keep your eye out for those opportunities for students, and we're able to bring back extracurricular clubs. So we may have a newspaper club again that's coming back, needlepoint, fishing, perhaps a stock market club, choir has started as well. So we're very fortunate in that we have the opportunities to be able to bring back these exciting avenues for students to be able to participate in addition to football, which is part of the Vader program through Sacred Heart of Winnetka. Thank you so much for joining our virtual open house this evening at the PGC and at the UGC. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or Mrs. Thompson at any point. We're happy to answer anything we can. We're very fortunate and grateful to be here, and welcome to the School of St. Mary for the 2021-2022 school year. Have a great evening.